Good everyone. For my Baroque music report, I chose only one piece. Spring from the Four Seasons by Antonio Vivaldi. Rhythm, fast and lively allegro, tempo. The steady pulse and quick notes sound like birds and following streams. Melody, bright and cheerful. The solo violin uses trills and runs to imitate birdsong. The main theme is very catchy. Texture, mostly homophonic. Solo violin has the melody. Orchestra accompanies. Sometimes polyphonic when instruments imitate each other. Form, ritornello form. The main orchestra theme called ritornello keeps returning. In between are solo violin episodes showing scenes of spring. In short, Vivaldi's Spring uses music to paint nature, which is a key trait of Baroque music. Thank you.